Ever wish you could use powerful AI models like ChatGPT, but without the monthly subscription, the internet requirements, or the privacy worries? Every time you type a prompt into ChatGPT, a third party server scans your data, tracks your behavior, and uses your ideas to train its models. But what if you could have that exact same intelligence completely detached from the big tech? By installing a large language model locally on your machine, your data never leaves your computer. It means zero copyright tracking, zero internet requirements, total data sovereignty, and zero cost. Today, we are setting up Ollama, a popular lightweight terminal based tool, the absolute gold standard for running lightweight, ultra secure AI models silently in your background. Before we click download, you need to understand how local models work. They are categorized by parameters, which is essentially their brain size. 3 billion to 4 billion parameters take up roughly 2 to 3 gigabytes of RAM. They are lightning fast and perfect for older laptops or budget setups. 7 to 9 billion parameters need about 8 to 16 gigabyte of RAM. These are the sweet spot. Smart, creative, and highly accurate for coding and writing. Rule of thumb: your computer's RAM must be larger than the model size. Otherwise, it'll run incredibly slow. Let's get it running now. Head over to Ollama's official website and download the client for Mac, Linux, or Windows. I'm on a Mac, so let me copy this command, open up a terminal, and run the command. Authorize it by entering your computer password. It takes less than a minute. Once finished, Ollama is ready for you, waiting for a command. Type Ollama, and you see it responds with several options. Chat with the model, launch Claude Code, open Claude, etc. And it will conveniently download these for you if you don't have them already. So very cool. Let's take it for a spin. Let's choose Chat. It suggests several models, many good for coding, some good for chatting. At this point, let's take a detour and go to Ollama's website and click on Models. And here you see a bunch of open source models. You can see the number of people who have pulled this, which kind of correlates to how popular they are. Some models are good for long horizon tasks, some for coding and agentic frontier. Tons of models to choose from. Gemma 4 provides frontier level performance. Quinn is a multimodal model, etc. Let me click on Gemma 4 and you can see the various harnesses with which you can integrate and use these models downloaded with Ollama easily. Down here is size. The more parameters, the larger the size, and of course the better the capabilities and performance. For the demo, let's go with the Gemma 4 latest, a good general purpose model for reasoning, agentic workflow coding, etc. We can run this command directly from the terminal to download, install, and run it. Or I can come here, choose Gemma 4, it asks for permission to download it, and it pulls it down. It'll take a few minutes, so let me fast forward it. Alright, it's done. Let's send a message. Tell me a joke. Look how fast the response prints out. No internet lag here. Why did the scarecrow get promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field. Not bad. Typing /by brings us back. Pressing escape takes us out. Let's install another model. So going back to the models, we see Minimax, DeepSeek, Llama models from Meta. Let's click on Llama 3.2, a good general purpose model. Let's copy this command. I have opened up a new terminal window. Let me paste this. It's a relatively small 2 GB model. Takes a couple of minutes to install. Let's ask it, will AI take over the world? Answer in one short sentence. It replies, there is no evidence that AI has or will become self-aware and hostile. And most experts believe it can be designed and used to augment human life rather than replace it. Alright, we all can take consolation in that and breathe a little easy for now. Let's exit from here. Alright, now typing Ollama list, we see the two models we downloaded and installed. So choose the models based on your needs, and then you can use it for your applications and run locally. In our next video, we'll take a look at how to get a gorgeous ChatGPT-like visual interface for your local models using LM Studio. So keep watching.